the most popular private jet among the wealthy Don Barbie Challenger, the landing gear suddenly fails to open. On the landing strip, there may be a forced failure of the hydraulic system after the final solution was invalid. Many times chose a strike and break landing a Boeing 737,800 call for strong winds during the descent crew. Did not save crew select continue descent eventually. A hard landing caused the landing gear to brake run out to the end go around. Windsure aheadwards, windsure adieu. To local foggy weather. The parts are not bad, the situation ahead is unknown. The plane had to bite the bullet and move forward. I hope to be able to fly out of this fog field as soon as possible. Flying in foggy conditions is dangerous everywhere. The nervous owner found the bridge after crossing the fog. I ran into this steel bridge when I couldn't get away because the plane too disintegrate, fell into the sea and exploded. It's both dangerous. And exciting. A Boeing 737-200 freighter is in flight. The cause of the failure is the wing and engine. Intake inflammation freezing it, exploded into a fire. An Airbus 319 airliner due to train maintenance. No. Tail metal fatigue detected eventually. The tail broke high in the air. The unit relies on excellent technology successfully landed the aircraft on the runway.